What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. On today's video we got a flat tire, but we also got a heavy-duty air compressor that's portable, and we got this sent out to us. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing and review. This is some heavy-duty stuff, so let's get these tires filled up, and I'm gonna tell you exactly the perfect uses for this portable heavy-duty air compressor. Man, I gotta make this video quick because it hella looks like it's gonna rain. Nicely packaged. Comes with a carrying case right over here. As we unbox the case, we got a bunch of hose with the air gauge up to 150 psi, and again in here we got the crazy air compressor. Let's place that right there. So yeah, you got the case, instructions manual, some extra attachments here, and the case is pretty nice, heavy duty as well. And pretty much what this is a heavy duty air compressor that you plug into your battery, and then you get air pressure. Now, I've reviewed one on the channel that's a portable one where you charge with a USB-C, and although that's pretty cool and convenient for some instances, if you're dealing with more tires or a bigger job, or if you have like a off-road vehicle where you need a lot of air in your off-road tires, this comes into play, and this will get you going real quick. So pretty much a simple installation. We're gonna plug this in right over here, and we're gonna plug these into the battery. All right, let's take a look. Again, it says it'll pump out 6.35 CFM. Now let's pretty much flip the switch and let's see what happens. Oh wow, that's a lot of air. Okay, this thing's moving. No hiccup, no delay. It's pushing out some. So we're just gonna attach this one here. Lock down. I'm gonna be keeping tabs on this gauge. It's turned on. Pretty freaking quiet. I did not expect it to be that quiet, but we're pegged at about So it turns out you don't need to use this attachment. You can directly connect it into the tire, and yeah, let's pop it in. Alright, let's double check the air pressure with another gauge here. we're at 42 psi, so it definitely filled up that. Pretty impressive little thing. Honestly, it sounds really quiet. It's not too loud. Very simple to use, and yeah, if you're going to the track and you're going to be filling up your tires after the track, this is something nice to just toss in your friend's vehicle, have it with you. It works pretty quick, it's portable, works on your battery. Highly recommend it. So far so good. That cable's super long. I mean, I can go around the whole car. I can go around the whole car with this thing. And let's check out that durability test. Solid. All right, so final thoughts on the air compressor here. The air compressor is awesome. The unit is pretty compact, kind of crafty looking, and it works. It pumps up a lot of air, and it's quiet, very quiet compared to what I was expecting. The hoses are long and convenient. You could go around the whole car once you plug it into your car's battery. All the wires are appropriate length. The only thing that I will have to knock it for is, one, the gauge doesn't seem to be very accurate. I might actually have a little leak over here, so that can explain why the gauge is not accurate. But on a unit something like this, for the price that you're paying, it would be nice to see maybe on a version 2 potentially something electronically controlled where you can actually set tire pressure to. For example, you can set up on the machine 40 pounds of pressure, and then once it gets to the target, it will stop. That would be just nice. That would be something nice to see in a unit for this price, and for just efficiency, right? You plug it in, you walk away. Once it's done, you connect it to the next tire. And I found myself double checking the air pressure with my gauge because of this gauge wasn't that accurate. But this is definitely something that I believe, if you're a car guy, you're gonna go to the track, do some drag racing, you know, obviously you're gonna lower your tire pressure, and then you're gonna have to pump it back up. The fact that you don't need something that has a charge, right? You know your car's battery is going to be working. You know this will work. You know you will put air in the tires after track day, so that it does have its uses. You know, if you take one of those portable battery chargers, and what happens when it's low on battery and you forgot to charge it, so you're kind of screwed after the track. But yeah, it does have its use. I like it though. We'll definitely use it. I'll contact the seller regarding to see if he can replace that gauge for me and get one that's working properly. That way we will be more in tune with the numbers. But I hope you guys like this little review. If you are interested in this item, link will be in the description below. Peace. As you can see, they sent us out another one just to repair that leaky gauge. So company looks legit. They'll stand by their product, and everything looks good.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true.